Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to send money from Sendwave to GCash in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is super easy, fast, and perfect for supporting loved ones or handling international transfers without the hassle. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get it done in no time. First off, make sure you have both a Sendwave account and a GCash account set up. If you don't, download the apps from your app store and create your profiles. It's straightforward and free. Once you're logged into Sendwave, start by selecting the Send Money option from the main menu. You'll need to choose GCash as your recipient's bank or service. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Keep an eye on any fees. Sendwave usually keeps them low, but double-check for the best rates. Then, input the recipient's GCash mobile number or details accurately to avoid any delays. For security, always verify the information before proceeding. You might need to confirm with a one-time PIN sent to your phone. After that, review your transaction summary, including the exchange rate if you're dealing with different currencies. Hit Confirm, and voila! Your money should land in the recipient's GCash account almost instantly, often within minutes. In 2025, with improved tech, this process is even smoother, but remember to keep your apps updated for the latest features. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check your internet connection or contact customer support through the app. It's rare, but better safe than sorry. There you have it. Sending money from Sendwave to GCash is a breeze. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.